Hey Fortnite fans, want to let anyone send you friend requests? Here's how in under a minute. From the main lobby, press Escape or Options or Menu button on the console to open the menu. Now click on the settings, this is the gear icon. Use your controller, mouse, or keyboard to navigate to the Account and Privacy tab. It's the little person icon right here. Scroll down until you see Friend Invite Permission. That's under Social Privacy. Your default might be Friends of Friends or No One. Select that setting and switch it to Anyone. Click on the Apply button to save the setting. You'll see the setting save instantly, meaning anyone can now hit you with a friend request. Press Escape or back out to close the menu and return to the lobby. Head to your social tab at any time to see new or incoming requests from players around the world. And that's it. Your friend request settings are open to everyone in Fortnite. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tips.